Welcome to the Top 5 Auto Advice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more car tips.
In the world of internal combustion, how fuel enters the engine makes all the difference. Today, we compare port fuel injection and direct injection. Port fuel injection, or PFI, sprays fuel into the intake port. Here, fuel mixes with air before entering the combustion chamber. This method allows for a more homogeneous mixture and helps keep the intake valves clean from carbon deposits. Direct injection, or DI, sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber under high pressure, allowing for precise control. By injecting directly, engines can achieve higher compression ratios and better fuel atomization, leading to improved power and efficiency. When we look at them side by side, the difference in timing and location is clear. PFI is simpler, while DI offers peak performance. Whether it's PFI or DI, understanding these systems is key to modern engine design. Which one powers your drive?